Welcome everyone. Here's the question. Square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. To prove this, first write left hand side expression. So, left hand side is equal to there is no any expression in the denominator of right hand side. So, we have to eliminate the expression of denominator. To do so, multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta. See why this is done. Because numerator will be 1 plus cos theta whole square and denominator will be 1 minus cos square theta. There is a formula in trigonometry 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So denominator will be reduced to a single term. So writing another step 1 plus cos theta that of square by 1 minus a minus b into a plus b cos square theta. Next again write 1 plus cos theta that of square by sin square theta, as it is known that sin square theta plus cos square theta that is equal to 1. So now remove the square terms, square root 1 plus cos theta, 2 and 2 we may think cancelled, 2 and 2 will may think cancel, sin theta. Now break into two terms, 1 by sin theta by plus that is equal to 1 by sin theta cosec theta cos theta by sin theta cot theta, that is equal to right hand side, hence so proved. Thank you for watching.